To choose your stick, you have to measure the length of it with your forearm. The stick have to go from your elbow to your middle finger. The thumb and middle fingers holds the stick, the index finger to direct the stick, the ring and little fingers helps to control the rebound. The wrist should be very flexible. That's the key for endurance and have a good hit on the toere. In case of thin toere like mine, you have to adjust the toere by tilting a little bit. You have to use your feet to maintain the incline. It will help get a clear sound. By the way, it might not be necessary to tilt bigger toere. As we can see in this video, each toere has his own best spot to bounce. You have to find where the bounce is at. Same thing for the stick. You have to try to figure out where the stick bounces the best on the toere. When you have found the best sound and rebound on the wood, try to get some beat down. Use your wrist to do the down beat. It will help you stay in time for the next beat on the middle part of the toere. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see my next video. Bye bye.